Never hard say amen. Say amen again. Oh, I'm sure you've been having a good time up to this point. Give everybody a song. A great big hand. 1, 2. We're happy to be here. Thank God for Sister Kim and her sons for bringing us back to Jacksonville. Give them a great big hand. To the pastor, members of this church, to all of you, we're glad just to be here. Just to be here. And I know I'm a quartet singer. I said I'm a quartet singer. And I like them. I like those quartet songs. Real low. And you know, my daddy was a quartet singer too. And he didn't like a lot of loud music. Somebody like that in here too. And my daddy had a stroke. He was in a wheelchair for 2.5 years. And he'll get up at church and want to sing. He'll ask the question, have you ever been touched? Ever been touched by my Jesus? By my Jesus. That I love. Y'all don't like this kind of stuff? So well. Come on, son. Come on. Won't he touch you? Anybody ever felt him touching? He'll touch your very soul. Your very soul. And he will make. Everybody, you can raise your hand and say, he'll make your spirit whole. One Sunday, I found in him. Yes, sir. A resting place. For the rest of this. And my daddy will get back there, and he'll holler out, ow! 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 Wake up in here. Ow! Y'all have mercy on me. Somebody don't like this, but this ain't loud. And I feel like saying tonight. Let me say it again. Daddy, let me ask you a question. Have you ever? Anybody here ever felt the Lord on you? Have you ever been touched? Where you at in here? My Jesus. How many of y'all know he'll touch you? And when he touches like nobody else touch you. Anybody that love the Lord, and lift your hands and he will touch your very soul. Oh, this ain't nothing but some old quartet singing here. That's all right. He will make. I just need about 10 people in here that know he changed your life to just stand up and say, one day I found in him. I was weak, I was weary, but he gave me peace. He gave me peace. Oh, stay with me, Jesus. How many of y'all know he'll move on you? Anybody know he'll move on you? Just holler out loud right now and say, ow! I can't hear you. Say, oh! Somebody say that. Have Now you Lord, have mercy on me. Lord, have mercy on me. Anybody need him to have mercy on you? Have mercy on me. Somebody going down for the last time. Have mercy. The reason why you woke up this morning because he had mercy. He had mercy. Nothing that you did only yesterday. He had mercy. He had mercy. He had mercy on me. Lord, have mercy on me. I dare you, those you that know he had mercy on you. And glad to be alive. Touch two people and say, he had mercy on me. He had mercy on me. I should have been.